I think I'm crazy. Way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to share with you a very interesting wig that I got from Amazon. This hair company sent out this V-part wig to me so that I can share with you today. This wig is super interesting. I'm going to show you how to style it as I'm doing in this video right now. The wig link will be in the description box below. It is a V-part 18-inch wig, you guys. All you have to do is separate your leave out because you are going to be putting on a wig as if you did a sew-in, if that make any sense. This is super quick and easy hairstyle. As you know me, I like to find you affordable, quick, easy lifestyle things to do that is going to save you coins and time. I love that for me, you guys. All I had to do was do 2 pigtails, as you can see, and tuck in those 2 braids in the back. This is going to be super quick. Now, the wig came in this pretty silk pink bag. If you know me, I love pink. So the fact that it came in a pink bag really excites me. Then it came with some beautiful lashes that I will be using. These are some Mink 3D hair lashes. Love that for me. Then it came with a wig cap, and this is your wig. At first, I was like, it's a bit shiny. I don't really like that. But I wasn't too sure what I was supposed to do with it. It did have a bunch of clips, and I forgot the fact that it's a V part. You have to cut down the middle. So the V part wig is an 18-inch curly, number 1 in color and number 30. As you can see, the blonde streaks is really pretty, and it was super flirty, very cute to me. So I've decided I'm gonna cut down the middle because I wasn't too sure. It is a V part. It's supposed to look like a sew-in, so duh, you have to cut down the middle, Delilah. So I went ahead and cut it, and I took the clips, I opened them up, and I just attached it to my natural hair. Look how many clips that came in that wig, y'all. I'm happy about that part. Never forget to put on a wig cap, y'all, because if you don't protect your hair from the wig rubbing against your hair, it will cause you some damage later on in life, like hair loss. It did come with some adjustable straps at the end, and I measured it on my head first, and then I went ahead and clipped those adjustable straps so that it fit my head nice and snugly. You're gonna take those clips that we saw at the V line, and we're gonna press it against our hair and clip it on. I love this, y'all. Look how seamless and flat it is. It's super easy, and I love that. I'm going in with my edge fixer. This is an edge control by Kiss. Bought this at the beauty supply store, and I'm going to apply some edges. You know, I love me a good slick back edges, so don't skip on this part because it will make your wig look super neat. So I'm gonna take out my leave out now, unbraid that, and once I put wand to it and curl it up, or even put water to my natural hair, it will match the curly hair, you guys. I'm just potting in it so that it could be super neat. And I love it. Oh my god, it is so cute. You can do different hairstyles, and I love that. So I'm just securing it a little bit more, and look how beautiful this looks. Alright, you guys, so I just finished doing this look. This wig was super easy to do. It only took me about 5 minutes to do this. I'm debating on if I want to put water on my natural hair, because when I do water my natural hair, it becomes really curly, like these type of curls. Other than that, I love the hair. In person, it's so cute. Like, I don't know what the camera is giving, but I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm honestly in love. You can do different styles. You can leave your natural hair out on the sides and do like a ponytail. You can do so many different styles with this hair. This is a quick go type of wig. You just shake it, clip it on, and go. It comes with a lot of clips inside to secure the wig even more, and I love that. Super cute. It has some brown in it. Like, look at that. It's so cute. If you're a person like me that's always rushing and, like, you know, you got to get to work and all of that, you need this wig in your life. They have different types of hairs, and they have straight ones, but it is a V part, and that's what makes it super duper interesting. Yeah, so if you're looking for a quick wig that you want to purchase that's affordable too, go ahead and purchase this wig down in the description box below. This hair is beautiful, y'all. Super beautiful, and it's like, it ain't going nowhere. It's super snuggly once you clip it on, and it's super cute. Like I said before, if you're interested, don't forget to visit the description box below and click on that Amazon link. Love you guys, and let's get right into the vlog. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I just came from church, and that's why I'm wearing a blazer right now, and I'm about to go to a party with my cousin. I didn't know what to wear, right? So I was like sitting here just thinking, like, what am I gonna wear? I low-key want to wear a wig. I'm tired of the bun. I be doing the 6-inch part, and then just a nice little slick back with some baby hairs, and it be coming through, baby. If you don't know what to do with your real natural hair, do a bun, okay? Put some water in it, put some edge control, and give yourself a bun. The edge control I do use, by the way, since we're talking about edge controls, the edge control I use is this. Aaliyah Face put me onto this in one of her lives, and I ran so fast. So fast, I tell you. This is the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold. This is the pineapple scent, and this smells so freaking good, y'all. I'm thinking this blue mesh, right, with my Dior bathing suit underneath, but just the bra, because it's see-through, and it will show the pattern with some gold accessories and my leather leggings. Me and my cousin was like, we're not gonna do too much. Like, we're not gonna be in bathing suits or nothing. This is starting to choke me and make me go crazy. But I like the bun with it because you get to see my little strings in the back here. I like that vibe. So lately I have been just thinking classy when I get dressed. Now, if I had a pencil skirt, I would throw it on with this. I'm gonna wear like a body shaper on the bottom also to tame, like, you know, my tummy area. I lost about 10 pounds. My stomach just feels flatter for some reason, but I know I could lose more weight, and losing weight is all a mindset, okay? So I'm gonna just say that to you. It's all a mindset, because I don't even work out, but I started eating less and I do more movements. Like, you know, when I'm at work, I'm picking up boxes, I'm walking more, and when I'm walking, I'm power walking. I look like I'm doing something. If you're trying to lose weight, baby girl, it's the mindset. Start with you, okay? Anyways, there was one more thing I wanted to say before I go. My battery is also dying. I need to put that on a charger before I get out of here, because I want to grab my camera. I do want to wear gold accessories, so I think I'm gonna wear this. I think I'm gonna wear this blue and gold bag. It's a clutch, and these glasses was inside. Oh, this is a vibe. This is a freaking vibe. Look at this. Oh, it's over. It's over. Yes or no? Comment down below, yes or no? Yes, it's a moment, okay? Oh my god, it's a freaking moment. Oh, the perfume I'm wearing today, I do want to wear my Dior perfume to go with the aesthetic vibe. I got this as a gift, actually. This is the Jadori Dior. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it comes in a really cute box. Got it as a gift, and I had it over there on my dresser just as decoration. I also have a Prada one over there. Anyways, this is what I'm wearing. I need to smell it first. Oh, that smells so powdery and so fresh. Perfect for an event like this. But yeah. Oh, I love this. I probably sprayed too much, but that's okay. But yeah, so you guys, that's the scent of the day, the Jadori. I bought some lashes that I'm gonna be putting on. I bought these. Sophiology put me onto these. The K-Min 03 Mink. I love these. She wear the #1, but these are a little bit more dramatic because I want to go with a dramatic look for this party. And then, y'all, don't sleep on the beauty supply store earrings. I hope I didn't lose them. There we go, $5.99. Beautiful earrings. So I'm gonna throw these on, and yes, babes, we gonna look like a fine babe.
we back to not talking again. So we back to the times I'm ready to murder a nigga that's calling you friend. I'ma chill, but it only depends. Is you finna come back to me? Can I get a piece of you, bon appetit? Can I bring the piece of you, no asking me? I don't mind piecing up folks after me. They don't really know how I'm bumming about you. Okay, okay. Hey, I love you, I hate you more way than I love you. But I love it when you get untouchable. But I hate when you think I don't fuck with you. Tell me the time and the place I'm under you. Tell me the, hey, yeah. So we back to not talking again.
What is up, you guys? And it is the next day. I wanted to do something a little different with the vlog and do a voiceover and talk to you guys. Today we came to Domino Park, and look how beautiful and green and aesthetically this park is, you guys. They have painting everywhere. If you're ever in the New York City area, please do come visit Domino Park. You won't regret it. You're surrounded by water and lots of trees. The Brooklyn Bridge is literally on top of you, as you can see right here. The best part is that they have these light up steps right here that you see, and you can sit at the top and enjoy the views with your friends, or come here for a date. The water glistens and the views of the buildings and the lights is just phenomenal. Me and the girls decided to come and have a cute girls picnic where we just sat down. We brought out the black sheets, hookah, drinks, and games, and we got to enjoy the views as we asked each other questions and got to know each other a little bit more.
Next question. Listen to the first one and then listen to the second one. Is it better to be needed or wanted in a relationship? What do you think the difference is? Okay. Wait, one person. Okay, Katie first. Yeah, Katie first.
I don't like the around.
Okay, so you go.
My man gotta need me, you gotta crave me, because I want a lot of things, but when I need something, it's like, damn, and I can't have it, it's a different feeling. It's a different feeling. So, all right.
If I'm wanted, then it's just like, okay, I could find somebody. It's easy to replace you. If I'm needed in a relationship, like, okay, you know what? I can't leave this bitch. I can't do certain things because I need her.
I want to be definitely needed, because when you're needed, just like everybody else said, they want you more. But I feel like I will want, I don't know, sometimes I want to be needed by the right person. I think for me, I want to be wanted. Why? Because I never want a nigga to be like, I need you to survive off of life. Because at some point, I'm going to feel like you're a leech, even if you're a nigga that I want. That's why wait.
Yeah, let me go.
Wait. See how babies cute? The titties is always like that?
That happened after her first period.
Titties came out?
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes, who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club macking hoes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing.
You guys, so I just got ready. I'm wearing a loose little top. I'm wearing all black leggings, loose top, and don't mind all that. But the nice little wig ponytail, if you know, you know. And I'm watching Lexus Mackay right now, but I'm leaving. I need to turn her off, and I'm about to leave. My cousin left. Everyone's at the bowling alley, and I honestly wasn't even gonna go.
Neon pink.
On the phone with my cousin. But yeah, let's go to the bowling alley. You guys, we just got here. Say hey, Jenny. Back it up.
Hey.
Y'all, look at this area we are. It's so cute. You could do golf over there. It's so cute. But we're going to do bowling. Are you excited? Are you excited?
To do what?
To go inside and
No, because I'm trying to take a video.
And mingle and meet new people. I thought that was let me not even say it.
We close.
We have a party inside already. And she just.
It's almost time to get everyone out. Yeah.
Just wanted to say hi. I'm not even bowling or
It's
nothing.
11 minutes. The manager is gonna report me. I'm not supposed to let anyone in once it's 10.
Even if you was here already?
What?
Even if you was here already? You just tell her that because we were.
I mean, I know she was in here.
I'll talk to them for you.
It's not about you talking.
Let me tell her.
You talk, no. It's
That's
not
her?
No, that's not my manager. If I let you in now, y'all don't want to get out of here by 11.
No, we're leaving. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yay, I made it. Right, William?
Yo, I'm looking at someone walking like, what the fuck you got going on?
Lit right now.
So what's
When are you not lit? Yeah.
What are you doing?
My cousin told me to comment, but I took so long.
Cousin.
So we're getting shot.
Okay. We have about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Before 11 o'clock. Before 11 o'clock.
I pull up.
You're a real one.
Yes.
I love it.
Say hi. I drive slow. Yes, I'm vlogging. I drive slow, so it took me a little while to get 2 hours. Long Island. Yeah.
Unfortunately, I want